Hello and welcome to ePrime. I'm Kalia, filling in for Dadrian. Earth Hour returns. The Climate Change Awareness Free Concert was launched on Monday, where organizers were excited about the return of Earth Hour on March 25th at Hope Gardens after 3 years of virtual executions. Speaking with ePrime director at Esirum Limited and Jamaican's Music, Alex Morsi, organizer of the event, spoke to the significance of the Earth Hour.
The biggest hour for Earth. That's the tagline for this year, and we really want people to go beyond the hour, that 8:30 to 9:30 on that one day. We want you to think about Earth because it's our home. Everybody have a house, but the Earth is everyone's home, and we need to take care of it. So the message is to do more every day, a little bit, and you'd actually be surprised as to, you turning off your lights or you recycling, you doing a compost, how much that can be amplified if everybody did the same thing.
Now, Earth Hour will see Queen Ifrica headlining along with Ras I, Phantom Moja, and others. The concert has seen performances from Chronic's Agent Sasco, Kabaka Pyramid, and others. Earth Day 2023 will see supporters in over 190 countries and territories to create the biggest hour for Earth, part of WWF's effort to turn a single Earth Hour into thousands and millions of hours of action and awareness around climate change. Charlie Black leaves international label Universal. In an interview with The Star on Monday, the Platinum Party Animal artist revealed that he has left his 6 years label after Club Universal's Latin America division. He told The Star that, and I quote, "So many times we as humans tend to have a lot of excuses why things not going our way," adding, "I signed an idiot deal." In 2017, Charlie inked a multi-album recording deal with the label Giant, and in 2021 released his debut EP, So Many Reasons. Now with his latest release, No Excuses, from his Team Unstoppable label in February. Charlie is certified diamond in Latin America and Recording Industry Association of America. RIAA certified him gold for his hit Gyal You a Party Animal. Burna Boy is 2 times certified platinum. The African Giant's global hit single Last has been certified platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, for over 1 million units sold in the USA. Since its release last May, Last commanded over 500 million streams worldwide. Last follows Ye, which was certified platinum in January, making Burna Boy the first African artist with 2 solo songs certified platinum in the USA. Burna Boy in April will head to the US as one of the headliners for J. Cole's Dreamville Festival. The ultra star-studded lineup also includes Drake and Usher, as well as J. Cole himself and our very own Sean Paul. I'm Kalia reporting for ePrime.